Here's the final clip I'm sharing of Cathy Wood and her analysis of our economic environment. She's the founder and CEO of ARK Invest, which is an investment management firm. Here she's talking about what would happen with tariffs if we start bringing manufacturing to the United States, how different it will be than what we think, where it's manpower in China versus what we would be using our manpower, our employment would go towards adding robotics and AI to then make it less expensive to produce things here. So at long run, it'll be less expensive than what we're paying now for manufacturing. Very interesting take on this. It's a longer clip. Hope you enjoy.
The purple line here is U.S. manufacturing as a percent of GDP. And you can see one of the reasons President Trump is determined to bring manufacturing back to the U.S. Many people say it'll be a fool's game to do that because compensation costs here are so much higher and it will just feed inflation. We have a different point of view on that. We believe that automation with robots, soon more and more humanoid robots, AI is going to be fertile ground to bring manufacturing back. In fact, it reminded, as manufacturing here in the United States was being gutted and it went to China, we began to think, okay, how could this reverse? Well, if you think about what happened to China in telecommunications, it did not have a landline system. So it went directly to wireless and became a mobile-first economy, and also leapfrogged us in the digital wallet space. Again, mobile-first. Our financial rails were good enough. It did not have a physical bank branch system. And so it went directly to mobile first and leapfrogged us. We're just now moving more into mobile payments in a big way here in the US and in other countries. Well, what if payback for the last 25 years of losing manufacturing is we leapfrog China and other countries who have older manufacturing techniques that are more labor intensive and go straight to automation. It is something we expect, and we do think it will drive significant productivity. We're more hopeful on that score, to be sure.